Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are your English teachers.
Today's question is very simple. How was your Christmas?
Did you eat good food? Did you meet family? Did you relax at home?
Today, we will talk about Christmas, and we will learn the past simple.
Yes, past simple helps us talk about the past, about yesterday, about last week, about Christmas.
This lesson is perfect for A1 beginners. Easy English, clear English.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us. Okay, let's begin. Paul, how was your Christmas?
It was great, thank you. How was yours?
It was nice and quiet.
Nice and quiet sounds good.
Yes, I stayed at home. I relaxed a lot.
Oh, lucky you. I traveled to see my family.
That's nice. Where did you go?
I went to my parents' house.
Good example. Went is the past of go.
Exactly. Go, went.
Listeners, please repeat. Go, went.
Good job.
Paul, what did you do there?
I ate a lot of food.
Haha, that sounds like Christmas.
Yes, I ate turkey and potatoes.
Ate is the past of eat. Eat, ate.
Everyone, repeat please. Eat, ate.
Well done.
Emily, did you cook food?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta and soup.
Nice. Cooked is easy. Cook, cooked.
Yes, many past verbs end in ed.
Cooked. Played, watched.
That's a good point. Let's stop and explain a little.
Yes, past simple is for the past.
We often use time words like yesterday, last night, last Christmas. For example, I ate turkey last Christmas.
Or, I stayed at home yesterday.
Some verbs are regular. They end with ed, like play, played, watch, watched.
Some verbs are irregular. They change.
Go, went, eat, ate.
Don't worry, learners. We practice together. Emily, did you watch TV on Christmas?
Yes, I watched movies.
Which movies did you watch?
I watched a Christmas movie and a funny movie. What about you, Paul? Did you watch TV?
No, I didn't.
Good example. Did not equals didn't.
I talked with my family.
Talked. Talk, talked.
Easy verb.
Did you give presents?
Yes, I did. I gave presents to my parents.
Give, gave. That one changes.
Everyone repeat, please. Give, gave.
Excellent.
I also received presents.
Oh, were they good presents?
Yes, but I got socks.
Christmas socks.
Every year.
That's very funny.
Let's hear more examples.
Okay. I woke up early. Wake up, woke up.
I opened my presents. Open, opened.
I drank coffee. Drink, drank.
Listeners, please repeat after us. I woke up early.
I opened my presents.
I drank coffee.
Great speaking.
Now it's your turn, learners. We will ask questions. Answer out loud.
You can pause the video to give answers.
First question. How was your Christmas?
Good. You can say, it was good, or it was quiet.
Next question. What did you eat?
Nice. I ate chicken. I ate cake.
Next one. Did you stay at home?
You can say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
Great job. Emily, let's do a short role play.
Good idea.
I ask, you answer. How was your Christmas?
It was fun.
What did you do?
I visited my sister.
Did you eat good food?
Yes, I did. I ate pizza.
Perfect answers.
Quick tip for learners. Don't say, I eat pizza yesterday. Say, I ate pizza yesterday.
Past verb with past time.
Exactly. Well done, learners.
Let's repeat some full sentences together, learners. You can pause the video to repeat.
Repeat, I had a nice Christmas.
I stayed at home.
I ate good food.
Excellent speaking, learners. Today, you learned how to talk about Christmas.
You practiced the past simple.
You learned verbs like went, ate, watched.
And you spoke English out loud. That is very important.
Now, write in the comments, how was your Christmas?
Use past simple. We love to read your answers.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel.
And practice English every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.